questions like this on the quiz, these are harder than what you'll see on the quiz, but if you're able to do this in those for this one, you kind of have to think back to the quick check we were doing, the last problem where it was like P equals C plus CR, kind of that situation is going on here. So I'm just going to put lines through this. So these are Z's. We need to get all the Z's on the same side. Right now I have one inside parentheses and one on the other side. So to get this outside of the parentheses, I actually need to distribute this W. So I have negative 4W plus WZ equals the rest of this. Now I have two terms with Z's, but they're on opposite sides. So we need to move them both to one side and everything that doesn't have a Z to the other. Doesn't really matter which. I'm going to move MZ over. And then move the negative 4W over. Stop.
No, yeah, I was going to, I thought you were going to ask.
I'm moving that 4W over because it has nothing to do with the Z's. I don't need it. And then, yes, Josh.
So, there, would you like put it back into the distributed mode where you go like Z? And
yeah, so this is called factoring. You're taking the Z out, and when you take it out, you're dividing both of these by Z and seeing what's left. So if I were to divide this by Z, I would just be left with W. This one would just be left with M. So I'm kind of taking, distributing, and I'm reversing it. That's what factoring is. And we'll get more into that later. I really wish I could edit these problems, but I can't. So this is way harder than I really wanted it to be, but from there, our goal is to still get Z by itself. Right now, Z is being multiplied to these parentheses. So since they're multiplying, if I divide by W minus M, this is going to go away, become 1. But what I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So I would just be left with Z. So a lot of that last Khan Academy are like that. They either start off with you have to distribute and then kind of work through that process, or it like starts off as if you already distributed. So like here, and you have to take that Z back out, like move things and take it back out. Yeah.
oh, so like how many letters could you have in like a bracket?
For the Khan Academy,
Like just in general, like could you have like up to like 5 letters or like only 2?
it's like solving equations. You could have the entire alphabet inside parentheses, combine the terms, all those things. It depends on the problem.
Or so you could have like CM, C, E, and like C, X, and you can buy all of them.
If they all had a Z, yeah.
Alright, that makes it a little easy. Because like one of them, one of my questions, they have like 3, everyone and one of them like, each had the same variable. So I didn't know if I could divide all of them by like 1, you know what I mean?
So if they all have the same variable, you can take it out of all of them, just of the same one, not like take the A out of B because that wouldn't make sense.
Thank you.
Any other Khan Academy Delta Math questions? Silence for the no. Okay. So, first, what I need you all to do is go put your cell phone in the calculator pocket, grab a calculator. If you want your specific calculator number, I have those. Otherwise, you can just put it in one. So, not in your pocket, not in your book bag, lunchbox, purse, under your leg, none of that stuff. Go put it back there. That means everyone needs to get up. I know, this has been the longest day.